Hello friends, let's understand the question here. Question says find dy by dx if x is u plus 1 by u the whole square and y is 2 to the power u plus 1 by u. Now since I have given x in terms of u and y in terms of u, so this is basically parametric equation. X in terms of u, y in terms of u, but you want to find dy by dx. So parametric equation theorem says that dy by dx, if you want to find, you have to find dy by du and you have to find dx by du, and if you divide, what you get is dy by dx. This is the basic theorem which I need to use to solve this problem. Apart from this, let's recall what is derivative of 1 by x. This is, sometimes students forget such kind of thing. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. What is derivative of 2 power x will be? Derivative of 2 power x will be 2 power x into log 2. I think these are couple of concepts which you need to recall before we start this question, and other two are very easy. Derivative of x square, I think everybody remember 2x. I hope there is no problem with this, and derivative of x is 1. So I'll be using this basic concept to solve the question. Observe, I'll start with x. We have x is u plus 1 by u the whole square. Now it is like chain rule here, x square and your x is u plus 1 by u. So if I differentiate with respect to u, very important to understand here, I am going to differentiate with respect to u. So what I get in the left hand side is I have to write dx upon du. Now right hand side is like x square, so I write 2 times x, so 2 times u plus 1 by u, and don't forget chain rule, derivative of u I'll take, which is 1, derivative of 1 by u I take, which is like 1 by x, minus 1 by x square hota hai, so 1 by u ka will be minus 1 by u square. This chain rule is what people forget often. Make sure that you remember such kind of things in the exam. So this is dx by du. Fine. Next, now I'll start with y. We have y as 2 to the power u plus 1 by u. Again, if I differentiate with respect to u, my left hand side will be dy upon du, and right hand side is like 2 power x, so it is 2 power u plus 1 by u. Don't forget log 2, and now as a chain rule I need to take derivative of u which is 1, and derivative of 1 by u which is minus 1 by u square. Now what I'll do is I'll be using the theorem, parametric equation theorem, which we can call it as star. I'll be using this basic theorem to solve this problem further. So I say since dy by dx is nothing but dy by du upon dx by du. So dx by du I will call it as equation 1, dy by du I'll call it as equation 2. So from 1 and 2 what we get? From 1 and 2 what we can get here is, we just have to substitute the values. So dy by du value is 2 to the power u plus 1 by u log 2, 1 minus 1 by u square, and dx by du value from equation number 1 I am writing, which is 2 times u plus 1 by u and 1 minus 1 by u square. Can we cancel here something? Can we cancel 1 minus u square? Now if you observe, 2 to the power u plus 1 by u is nothing but my question, right? वो हमारे पास y था, ठीक है, y log 2 upon denominator what I write? Denominator will be 2, and can I write u plus 1 by u as root x? Why? Because we have x was u plus 1 by u the whole square, so root x will be u plus 1 by u, and this is what you need to understand. This is your dy by dx. Finally, your dy by dx is y log 2 upon 2 root x.